Hello and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. Let elected MLAs decide CM, no need of dropping ministers. BJP-MGP alliance should continue. BJP not in position to break alliance, says Deputy CM. Goa police comes out of slumber after prudence expose of terrorists taking paragliding training in Goa. ATS begins probe into trainers' activities. "43 wards out of 159 wards reserved for OBC. Cabinet approves ordinance to facilitate 27% reservation for OBC in municipal polls. Election on 25th October. Goans due by Green Ray International by 150 crore rupees. Company assured to triple invested money in 6 years. Shuts its office overnight in Madgaon. And India face Asia's top footballing nation Iran in World Cup qualifier on Tuesday. Stephen boys face biggest challenge of the year. And now the news in detail. There is no need of dropping any minister. Instead, government should fill up the existing vacancies in the cabinet. This is what the Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza opined in our weekly program Head On. He said BJP should contested ZP polls independently to test its strength if it wanted to break alliance with the MGP. He said party should continue alliance with MGP. He clearly stated that elected MLAs deciding their CM is a more democratic way than declaring CM before polls.
कितली गरज आसा रिशफल जावपाची आणि व्हेरी फ्रँकली वॉट इज युअर चॉईस ऑफ रिशफलिंग.
माझ्या मता प्रमाणे कोण सिनियर आहा कोण केपेबल जाल्यार जावचो. तर चॉयस व्हडलो स्कोप ना तितून कित्याक लोकसभा न्हू ती कितके लोकसभेन कितके आहा 542 कितके लोक आहा.
परफॉर्मन्स इवॅल्युएट करून तुमकां दिसता की एक ड्रॉप बीप करपाची एक्सरसाइज जावपाक जाय ऑर एट दीस मोमेंट पॉलिटिकली इट इज नॉट व्हेरी कन्विनियंट.
इवॅल्युएशनूय खरी जातालें पूण हेच्या पयलीं तशें केन्ना जावपूच ना न्हू तें. केन्ना जालां तूं सांग म्हाका केन्ना तरी इवॅल्युएशन कोणेन तरी केलां केन्नाच करूंक ना तें. पूण इवॅल्युएशन करून मागीर तुका रिप्लेसमेंटाक घालपा जाय न्हू. ते रिप्लेसमेंटाय ना थंयसर. चॉयस इज नॉट व्हेरी बिग. चॉयसीस आर व्हेरी लिमिटेड.
As far as MGP is concerned, what do you think? The alliance should continue?
So, I am saying that it's a pre-poll alliance, one alliance, and we carry forward करपा जाय.
Even in the next election?
Yeah. Even in the next election. आमच्या डेटा ना न्हू इलेक्शन तोडपाक. तो डेटा आमी तयार करपा जाय आसलो. आमची ताकद पळोवपा जाय आसली. आमी कितके मजबूत आहा तें पळोवपा जाय आसलें. वी हॅव नॉट डन इट. तूं सारको डेमोक्रेसी तत्वान वयशी जाल्यार निवडून येयल्या ते लोक लिडर थारायतात.
That is what you would prefer?
दॅट इज वॉट इज एक्सेप्टेड.
Correct.
पूण शक्य जाल्यार तुवें तें दुसरें करी येता. शक्य जाल्यार म्हणटा हांव की ते युनॅनिमिटी आसपा जाय. बाबा हो आमचो लिडर आमकां इलेक्शनाक व्हरतलो आनी निवडून हाडटलो.
What does it matter? You are just stopping at saying that the democratic way is the best.
ते करप आनी लोकां मदें वचप दॅट इज नॉट टू डेमोक्रेटीक.
Goa police has taken cognizance of prudence expose about Indian Mujahideen terrorists getting aerial attack training in Goa. National Investigating Agency or Karnataka Police have not contacted Goa Police in this regard so far. But ATS of Goa Police will investigate this matter. Some cops of Anti-Terrorist Squad and Goa Intelligence Bureau has questioned the house owners at Keri where the trainer stayed.
Prudent is continuously exposing how many terrorists are coming to Goa for holidaying, doing recce or taking training. In our Sunday bulletin, we had shown how Indian Mujahideen terrorist Syed Ismail Ashfaq travelled from Bengaluru and camped in Goa for 5-day long training session in November 2013. Shockingly, Goa Police or local intelligence unit had no clue about it. But after the exclusive broadcast by Prudent on Sunday, Goa Police has come out of slumber. After the telecast of this news on Prudent, State Unit of Intelligence Bureau and State ATS was activated. Cops on Monday visited Keri, Harmal and questioned the house owners suspected to provide accommodation on rent to the paragliding trainer. Prudent inquired with some senior officers of Goa police about terrorist Syed Ismail Ashfaq taking paragliding training in Goa. But senior officers said that so far they have not been contacted by center or state investigating agency in this regard. According to sources, State Unit of Intelligence Bureau and State ATS has started investigating about the antecedents of the trainer. With Bureau inputs, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
43 wards out of 159 wards in 11 municipalities will now be reserved for OBCs. Cabinet has approved ordinance to facilitate 27% reservation for OBCs in the upcoming municipal polls. The ordinance was approved by circulation. Poll for 11 municipalities in state is scheduled on 25th of October.
कॅबिनेट आणि सर्क्युलेशन सायन मारून म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्नरच्या अप्रुवलाक गेला ऑर्डिनन्साक.
सर्क्युलेशन कॅबिनेट
हय कॅबिनेट अप्रुवल जालो ताजो म्हज्या अंदाजान. हांवें शेनवारा सही मारल्या, मदीं आयतार जालो, आयज सोमार जालो. म्हणजे आयज गव्हर्नर कडेन पावपा जाय, तें राज्यपाला कडेन पावपा जाय आनी आयज सान पासून नोटिफिकेशन येवपा जाय अशें दिसता म्हाका. SC आनी ST ती कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान घातलेली आहा 243 आर्टिकल म्हणटा तें कॉन्स्टिट्युशन आहा. म्हणजे तें कॉन्स्टिट्युशना प्रमाणे करपाचें पडटा. OBC कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान आसलें तें आमी आतां एकट्यान आतां घातला. ही एक फाट OBC 27% जाल्या, 33% महिला जाले, ST SC जाले. आतां तेणें बसोवपाक जाय तें. फाटले फावटी रिजर्व जाल्ले वोट परते रिपीट करपा जायना. DMA करतालो
केन्ना पर्यंत जावपाक जाय कितें
लायट दिसा भितर जातलें न्हू. एक फाट ऑर्डिनन्स येयले की फुडलें काम करतले ते.
Crime Branch is likely to approach the court on Tuesday for issuance of long-standing non-bailable warrant against former Asia head of Louis Berger Company, James McClung. Crime Branch had issued summons to James McClung to appear before the investigating officer. The summons was sent on McClung's all known addresses, but till expiry of date of summoning on Monday, McClung did not appear before the IO. One senior officer of Goa Police told Prudent that they will complete the process till issuance of red corner notice if McClung doesn't appear before the agency. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.